Ever wondered what file formats are and why they matter in photography? It's a question that may not often cross your mind, but the answer is crucial to understanding the digital photography process. In the world of photography, two basic file format options are available when working with a digital camera to capture still images. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and each can significantly impact the final image quality. First up, we have the RAW file format. Now, contrary to what you might think, RAW is not an acronym. It's simply a term used to describe the various formats used to store the raw data recorded by the sensor on a digital camera. Each camera manufacturer has its own proprietary file format for RAW capture modes. So RAW isn't a single file format, but a general term for these various formats. The RAW file format's key advantage is its ability to capture high-bit data. It does not undergo any in-camera processing, allowing you to adjust exposure, white balance, and other settings with high flexibility during the conversion process. However, the RAW format also has its downsides. The files are relatively large and must be converted before you can retouch, composite, or post them on the web. Despite these disadvantages, experts highly recommend using RAW capture for the majority of photography. The tools for working with RAW captures have become so sophisticated that there are no longer many strong arguments against RAW capture. The benefits of high-bit data, post-processing flexibility, and lack of lossy image compression that come with RAW capture are too significant to ignore. In conclusion, the choice of file format in digital photography is not a decision to be taken lightly. It is a crucial element of the imaging workflow, impacting everything from the camera to image editing software, output, and storage of master image files. While the list of possible file formats Adobe Photoshop can save an image file as may seem overwhelming, knowing a few standard formats can make the process much more manageable. So next time you're about to snap a photo, take a moment to consider the file format. It might just make all the difference in the world.